Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply for a Cash App card. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So basically here we are going just through the first article of Cash App. And basically to order a Cash App or to apply for it, it's so easy. All you need to do is just to log in your account and then you will need just to start applying for it or just asking uh, give the order for your Cash App card. So simply you need just to go to the card tab on your Cash App home screen and then you will get your get your free card, and basically that's it. And basically the home screen would be looking something like that, and then here in the bottom menu we will find this card icon. And basically by clicking on it you will have this view, and basically this is the get free cash card, and by clicking on it you will need just to click on continue, and after that you will be having, or you will be asked to start selecting a design, and basically you can have this default design which is the black and the white design, and basically you can start adding your information, and depending on your country you can have different information, etc. And after that you will be able to get your card within 14 days. And of course, even if you don't get your card, like even in this duration, you will be able to access to your card detail again from the same tab. From the card tab, you can get your details, and also you can see your purchases, and you can also link it to Google Pay or Apple Pay. And basically by that, you will have successfully uh, ordered or applied for the Cash App, and basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.